Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A90 with any Android TV. First of all, here we are giving a disclaimer that the phone used to hear this video is not actually A90. However, for educational and demo purpose, this phone is used. So don't say like that, this phone is not A90 like that. Okay, actually we know it and yes, of course, the procedure is the common for this phone too, and yes, we are giving it here. Just learn it how you can do screen mirroring. Okay. First of all, make sure that you have a common Wi-Fi connection for your phone and TV. You can also use your mobile hotspot from your phone and connect that mobile hotspot to your TV as your Wi-Fi. Okay, that's not a problem. Both will work. Okay. First of all, I am going to use common Wi-Fi. So make sure that go to your phone Wi-Fi and select the Wi-Fi signal. Here I have selected this 5G as a connection. Okay, and click on done. Now come to your TV and go to settings of your TV. Go to settings of your TV there and click on network and internet and turn on Wi-Fi, and the same 5G should be selected here. Yes, that is automatically connected as I have previously connected to this Wi-Fi from my TV. Yes, my phone and TV is now in common Wi-Fi connection called 5G. Now come to your phone and go to Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store and search the term Google Home. Google Home. Google Home app, and install this Google Home app. Just click on install. It will be downloading and installing. Just wait few seconds. Yes, it is being installed. Just wait. 83% completed and 100 completed. Installation is going on. Yes, finished, and click on open and just follow on screen instruction. Give permissions wherever required, and here you have to select the email ID that you have used in your TV. So the same email ID should be selected and click on OK. If you select other email ID, it will not work. So make sure that you have selected the same email ID. Okay, that is what email ID you have logged in with your TV. That email ID should be selected in your phone too. Okay, if it is not available in your phone, you have to freshly log in into the same email ID. Okay, and click on next and give permissions and click on next for location access and give permission, and it is asking you to enable from the settings, but it is not actually needed. So click on skip and click on devices, and you will see TV device here. Yes, just click on the device, click over the device name and click on cast my screen and click on cast screen and click on start now. Now your phone screen will be mirrored to TV. So what you exactly seen in your phone, that is also seen in your TV. Okay, I go to Snapchat, that is also seen in my TV. So in this way, you can easily do screen mirroring from your phone Samsung Galaxy A90 with any Android TV. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.